On today's video, we're going to take a look at these Galaxy Buds 2 from Samsung. Now, this is not the Galaxy Buds Pro, this is the Galaxy Buds 2. And the 2 is the newest one out by Samsung on the headphones things. Now, they don't supposed to be as, I say, big and bulky as the Pros. They're supposed to be a little bit more comfortable and give you a lot more sound. They're supposed to take the best of the three and combine them. But, you know, you ain't going to get the best noise cancellation or the best microphone without the Pros. Because, you know, that's Pro in the name. So, you're going to lose a little bit and gain a lot in microphone performance, I would say. Now, these priced is around usually $130 to $150 depending on supply and demand. Where you get them, if they're on sale or not, all depends. The Pros are $180, basically $200. Again, pricing depends, supply and demand. Now you can get them cheaper online, but I will say that be careful where you buy these online. If it's not like a reputable store like Best Buy or something like that, I wouldn't purchase them because there are a lot of fake ones out there of these. You think you're getting a good deal? $80 pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Plug them up, dissatisfied with them. Sometimes they don't pair up like you're supposed to, and you know, they don't even have the icons. You probably got a knockoff set of Buds. Now, I'm going to say they do sound pretty decent. The knockoff ones do from the ones I seen. But yeah, if you want Samsungs, go to an actual dealer in your town or something that have these. Most cell phone places and stuff carries Samsung products like this. So check though. If not, check your Best Buy. And if you order from like Walmart or something, make sure it's actual Walmart.com and not a third-party seller. You know, just use common sense when you're trying to pick up a legit set of headphones. Because you don't want to pay for knockoffs. So, a little complicated to open. They got security tabs on them. Now, they come in 3 different colors, as I seen after making this video. Kind of like a bluish color, then I think like an olive color. Then you got the classic matte black. So the top of the box, we get that out of the way. You got your instruction booklet here. You know, it tells you how to start, where to go, and I opened that up and just tore it. But yeah, it's got all your quick start guide and everything. But if you in the Samsung ecosystem, these will automatically pair to your phone. Shouldn't be no issues with them. This video ain't about pairing these to your phone. This video is an unboxing video. So in this little box, it's your charging cable and your extra ear, I guess you would call them fittings. You know, your little rubber pieces to help size to your ear. Now, I will say the knockoff ones, they very convincing that they Samsung, but usually in the package like this, they ain't neatly, they just tossed in the box. So, presentation is a little bit off, and so is the colors. Now, you can see we got the little headphone case. It's very nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. So I adjusted the lighting a little bit. Maybe you can see them a little bit better. The light was actually making everything look kind of washed out through the monitor here that I'm looking through. But you can see it's very good. It don't fingerprint. That's a good thing. You open them up. Oh, it feels so good to open and close these. Kind of shuts on their own. You can see when they open, you got that little light. And they want to pair to a phone. Let's take one out. You can see we got a little sensor right here and here. That's probably to detect voices and stuff. And they are clearly labeled. And does have a microphone, so you could actually take phone calls and stuff with these or record video. Now the tips are easy to change. They just pull off and then you try another one. But I'm going to test this in my ear and see how it fits. So after sizing my earbuds, I actually went with the ones that they had. The little ones felt too small and the bigger ones felt like they had too much pressure on my ear. Well, what do I think about these? After I test fitted everything, and the wearable app, if you got a Galaxy Samsung, is great. I actually got them in right now. The sound is amazing on these. The active noise cancellation is pretty darn good. I mean, They're extremely good. Now, I wear a bargain a lot of times in the cold season, so I usually just keep my bargain over my earbuds here. And from what I'm used to using, these are great. They fit comfortable. I can move. I can yawn. They don't want to pop out. They did a great thing with the fitment. And the charge on these, I think, what is it, 15 to 20 hours, I think, with the case. I think 5 or 6 without the case. Don't hold me to that. Actually, it says 5 to 20 hours playtime. So, yeah, I guess I'm pretty close. It says it right here on the back. Wow, look at that, movie magic. Now, I got another set of Bluetooth headphones I will be reviewing pretty soon. Well, this wasn't kind of a review. This was kind of a unboxing video. But these are the Beans True Wireless Earbuds, and they Bluetooth, and these was from Five Below. These are like $5, so I don't expect much from them, but you never know. Sometimes you can get some amazing results with some cheap electronics. You know, sometimes companies come out and just surprise you, but maybe this is one of them. Upcoming videos, so if you're new, get subscribed. You don't want to miss it. All in all, I'm very happy with the Galaxy Buds 2. If you're looking for a set of earbuds, or you just pretty much join the Samsung ecosystem, you want to give a Samsung set of earbuds a try from some of the Score candies or something you might be using, you want to go with a more of a bigger brand earbud, then try the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You won't be disappointed, not for the price point. I mean, they are a little expensive, but they're not the most expensive. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and if you're new, get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for taking time out of your day watching one of my videos. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.